Hello scholars, today I am going to start chapter number 11, perimeter and area. So first see what is perimeter. So the length of the boundary of any plane figure or the sum of the measure of all its sides is known as its perimeter. See one figure EFGH. This is a rectangle and the length of this rectangle is L and the breadth is B. So the perimeter of rectangle EFGH, this is equal to sum of all the sides means L plus B plus L plus B. Now there are 2 times L and 2 times B. So it will come 2L plus 2B. Now 2 is common. So formula is what? 2 in bracket L plus B. This is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. Now see, this figure is a square and the name of this figure is ABCD, and let all the sides are A. Why? Because in the square the sides are equal, so all the sides are A. Now perimeter formula is sum of all the sides, so A plus A plus A plus A. So total 4 times A. So the formula is 4 into side. This is the formula of perimeter of square. Now see the definition of area. Area is the amount of surface of the plane covered by a closed figure. So area of rectangle formula is L into B. Area of a square formula is side into side. Now area of triangle formula is 1 upon 2 into base into height. Now area of parallelogram formula is base into height. Now see exercise 11.1, question number 1. The length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find number 1 its area, number 2 the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000. Now let's see the solution. Now see the solution. Length of a rectangular piece of land, it is given 500 meter, and breadth of a rectangular piece of land, it is given 300 meter. So area formula is length into breadth. So 500 into 300. Answer is 1,50,000 meter square. Number 2. Here we have to find the cost. So the cost of 1 meter square land, this is given rupees 10,000. So the cost of rupees 1,50,000 meter square land is equal to 10,000 into 1,50,000. So it will come 150 crore. Now see question number 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. So perimeter of a square park, this is given 320 meter. Now perimeter of a square formula is 4 into side. So 4 into side is equal to 320. So side is equal to 320 upon 4. It means side is equal to 80 meter. Now we have to find the area. So write area formula, it is side into side. So 80 into 80. Answer is 6,400 meter square. So the area of a square park is 6,400 meter square. Now see question number 3. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meter square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. So area is given. So first we will write area of rectangular park is equal to 440 meter square. So formula is length into breadth is equal to 440 meter square. Now put the value of length. So it will come 22 into breadth is equal to 440. So breadth is equal to 440 upon 22. So answer is 20 meter. Now we have to find the perimeter also. So perimeter of rectangular park is equal to 2 in bracket L plus B. Now put the values. 2 L value is 22 and the B value is 20. So 22 plus 20. It is 42 and 42 into 80, 42 into 2, it is 84 meter. So the perimeter of rectangular park is 84 meter. Now see question number 4. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth. Also find the area. So perimeter of rectangular sheet, this is given 100 centimeter. Now perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 in bracket L plus B is equal to 100 centimeter. Now put the value of length. So it will come 2 in bracket 35 plus breadth is equal to 100. Now this 2 will go in denominator. So it will come 35 plus breadth is equal to 100 upon 2. So 35 plus breadth is equal to 50. So breadth is equal to 50 minus 35 means 15 centimeter. So now we have to find the area also. So area of rectangular sheet is equal to L into B. So 35 into 15, answer is 525 centimeter square. So breadth and area of rectangular sheet are 15 centimeter and 525 centimeter square. Now see question number 5. The area of a square park is the same as of a rectangular park. If the side of the square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of the rectangular park. Now let's see the solution. So the side of the square park, this is given 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park, this is given 90 meter. Now according to the question, area of a square park, this is equal to the area of rectangular park. So area of a square formula side into side and area of rectangular formula is length into breadth. Now side value is given 60. So write here 60 into 60 and in rectangle length is given. So write 90 into breadth. So from here we can find the breadth. It will come breadth is equal to 60 into 60 upon 90. 0, 0 will cut. And this 9 and 6 we can cut. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Now again 3 and 6 we can cut. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So it will come 40 meter. So the answer is the breadth of the rectangular park is 40 meter. See question number 6. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter. And breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape encloses more area. So according to the question, perimeter of a square, this is equal to the perimeter of rectangle. Now write the formulas. So perimeter of a square formula is 4 into side. And perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 in bracket L plus B. Now put the values. So 4 into side is equal to 2 in bracket 40 plus 22. 40 plus 22, this is 62. So side is equal to 2 into 62 upon 4. So it is 31 centimeter. So the side of the square is 31 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle formula is L into B. Now put the values. L is 40 and B is 22. So answer is 880 centimeter square. Now area of square also we have to find. So area of square is equal to side into side. So it is 31 into 31 means 961 centimeter square. So therefore on comparing the area of square is greater than that of rectangle. Now see question number 7. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter, find its length. Also find the area of the rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle, this is given 130 centimeter. Breadth is given 30 centimeter. So perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 in bracket L plus B. Now put the values. Perimeter is given 130 centimeter. Then 2 in bracket L plus B is given 30 centimeter. So it will come 130 upon 2 centimeter is equal to L plus 30. So 130 upon 2, it will come 65. Now this 30 we will transpose left hand side. So it will come 65 minus 30 is equal to L. Means L is equal to 35 centimeter. So area of rectangle formula is L into B. So put the values 35 centimeter into 30 centimeter. Answer is 1050 centimeter square. Now see question number 8. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. See the solution. Length of wall is equal to 4 meter. Breadth of the wall, this is given 3.6 meter. Now length of door is given 2 meter and breadth of the door is given 1 meter. So first we will find the area of the wall. So area of the wall formula L into B. Put the values. So 4.5 meter into 3.6 meter. It will come 16.20 meter square. Now we will find the area of the door. So area of the door formula L into B. Put the values 2 meter into 1 meter. So it will come 2 meter square. Now area of the wall to be whitewashed. We will subtract both the answers, means area of the wall minus area of the door. So 16.20 meter square minus 2 meter square. It will come 14.20 meter square. So cost of whitewashing, here we will multiply by 20. So rupees 14.20 into 20. So after multiplication it will come rupees 284. So the required area is 14.20 meter square and the required cost is rupees 284. Now see exercise 11.2, question number 1. Find the area of each of the following parallelogram. So here some figures are given and you have to find the area. See the first one. So in the first one, base is given 7 centimeter and the height is given 4 centimeter. So formula is base into height. Write both the values. 7 centimeter into 4 centimeter. Answer is 28 centimeter square. See second one also. Here base is given 5 centimeter and height is given 3 centimeter. Formula base into altitude or base into height. So 5 centimeter into 3 centimeter. It will come 15 centimeter square. Now see one more, number C. Here base is given 2.5 centimeter and altitude is given 3.5 centimeter. So put the values. 2.5 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter. Answer is 8.75 centimeter square. Now see question number 2. Find the area of each of the following triangles. So here triangle shapes are given and you have to find the area of triangle. So see the first one. Base is given 4 and the height is given 3. So formula of area of triangle, it is 1 upon 2 into base into height. Now put the values. So 1 upon 2 into 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter. So 2 and 4 we can cut. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So answer is 6 meter square. See the second one. Here base is given 5 centimeter and the altitude is given 3.2 centimeter. So put the values. 1 upon 2 into 5 centimeter into 3.2 centimeter. Answer is 8 centimeter square. Now number C. So here base is given 3 centimeter and the height is given 4 centimeter. Put the values in the formula. So 1 upon 2 into 3 centimeter into 4 centimeter. So this 4 we can cut. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Answer is 6 centimeter square. Now scholars see question number 5. PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is the height from Q to SR and QN is the height from Q to PS. If SR is equal to 12 centimeter and QM is equal to 7.6 centimeter. So find number 1, the area of the parallelogram PQRS, and number B, QN if PS is equal to 8 centimeter. Now let's see the solution. So first number A, the area of the parallelogram PQRS. So here base is SR and height is QM. Now put the values. So SR is 12 centimeter and QM is 7.6 centimeter. Now multiply it. So it will come 91.2 centimeter square. Now see second one. QN we have to find, and if PS is given 8 centimeter. So again same formula we have to write area of the parallelogram PQRS. But here base we will take PS and height we will take QN. So first write area. So it is 91.2 centimeter square is equal to 1 upon 2 into PS is 8 centimeter into QN. Now let's simplify. So QN is equal to 91.2 into 2 upon 8. So after simplification it will come 22.8 centimeter. Now question number 6. DL and BM are the heights on sides AB and AD respectively of parallelogram ABCD. If the area of the parallelogram is 1470 centimeter square, if AB is equal to 35 centimeter and AD is equal to 49 centimeter, find the length of BM and DL. So we have to find the area. So area of parallelogram ABCD, right formula, base into height. So it is AB into DL. AB is a base and DL is a height. So area is given 1470 is equal to AB value is given 35 centimeter into DL we have to find. So DL is equal to 1470 upon 35. So DL is equal to 42 centimeter. Now area of parallelogram, again we will use the formula ABCD is equal to AD into BM. So now here the base is AD and height is BM. So again put the values. So area is 1470 centimeter square and AD is equal to 49 centimeter and BM is not given. So BM we will find BM is equal to 1470 upon 49. So it will come 30 centimeter. So BM value is 30 centimeter and DL value is 42 centimeter. Now see question number 7. Triangle ABC is right angled at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. If AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 13 centimeter and AC is equal to 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD. So area of right triangle ABC, it is 1 upon 2 into base into height. So 1 upon 2 into base is AB and height is AC. So 1 upon 2 into 5 into 12. It will come 30 centimeter square. Now again we will use this formula area of triangle ABC. So 1 upon 2 into base into height. So now base we will take BC and height we will take here AD. Now put the values of area. So it is 30 centimeter square is equal to 1 upon 2 into 13 into AD. Now from here we will find the value of AD. So it will come 30 into 2 upon 13 centimeter. So it is 60 upon 13 means 4.62 centimeter is the answer. Now see the last question number 8. Triangle ABC is isosceles with AB is equal to AC is equal to 7.5 centimeter and BC is equal to 9 centimeter. The height AD from A to BC is 6 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. What will be the height from C to AB, that is CE. Now let's see the solution. So area of triangle ABC formula is 1 upon 2 into base into height. So 1 upon 2 into base is 9 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. Now let's simplify. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. 9 into 3, 27 centimeter square. Now again we will use the formula area of triangle ABC, but here base we will take AB and height we will take CE. So area of triangle is 27 centimeter square. is equal to 1/2 into AB value 7.5 centimeter and CE value not given. This we have to find. So CE is equal to 27 into 2 upon 7.5. So let's simplify. Answer is 7.2 centimeter. So scholars, your exercise 11.2 completed. For worksheet, you can see the link given in the description box. Thank you everyone.